just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle, baby. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just.
Okay, so I just walked out of my house, and this is my outfit today. I really like it. Also, I'm carrying this big Charlotte Russe bag, but like I have swimming, and all the other bags in our house are too small, like all the the food for less bags and stuff like that. So I have to carry this big one, and it looks like I just went shopping and I'm showing up to school. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So my shoe's untied and it's really bothering me. And now that I'm looking at it, my shoes totally don't match with what I'm wearing at all. Like, hold up, when this car passes by so they don't look at me like I'm weird, I'll show you guys my outfit again. Anyways, it is 6:45. This is the time I leave for school. My hair, that little piece back there, is bothering me. Okay, so here, see, the shoes are like this bright, not bright pink, but like this pastel pink color. Okay, so I'm at school. I'm getting breakfast. Can I show you? Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
With Jasmine and Jasmine. Sorry, I touched your straw.
Fine.
Okay, so we're in the cafeteria. They have these pizzas, right? And they used to be so big, and now they're like muffins.
Disagree. It's pissing me off. I'm supposed to be fat in the morning, but because they have made it so small.
You may bring it to the volleyball versus ribbon game on Wednesday, September 16th for free admission. You must have a college-ready time card to get into your game for free.
Your little head. Whoa. Okay, I'm at lunch with Camden. And Jasmine.
She has like $900. Did that change?
I'd go in it, but I kind of don't want to, because
Hi.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy.
You should
Mia.
let me vlog.
What?
You should let me vlog, man.
For a whole day? Well, I did that. You guys need to record. What do you have an iPhone?
And we could collab. We could collab.
Okay, no, but you guys have to send me your videos, because that's what I did with Jeanette and Galvan. Did you guys see my channel?
Yeah. I
They
never.
were so short.
Because they filmed short. I know, I seen that. I was like, oh, and when Angelina sees this. Yeah, you guys just have to send me your videos.
They're gonna be making
That's
That's even better.
I ain't got no money. I left my money. Oh, thank you.
Did you just give him $1?
you want $1?
I want $1.
Oh my gosh.
Jenny, I want to let you.
Oh my god, Jenny! I didn't
Why is it getting louder, bro?
Alright, so here's the deal. Put your backpack down right now. Alright, so you take your phones and stuff, we're gonna walk straight out, we're gonna go through here, and you're gonna stand right out by where the bus is picking people up.
Mia, we're dying. You're out. I'm vlogging. We're dying from a fire.
Okay, so we were in the middle of class, and then the fire bell went off. I can't see. Okay,
the fire burned my face.
No, we were in the middle of class, and like this branch just came down on us, and it should have.
But she saved us with her water.
Yeah, no,
I had water.
Someone
yeah,
threw during the fire.
that's what. And look, the fire got him. He saved us. He was the Flash.
He
What the hell is wrong with you?
Clickbait.
Jennifer,
By the fire.
answer.
We got a few questions for you.
I was running. Was that real?
Was it?
I think it was. Let's zoom in on Mr. Campbell. Where is he? I lost him. Okay, so like as I'm at home editing the video, I forgot to tell you guys that it wasn't a real fire. We were creating clickbait. But there was some people smoking in the bathroom again, so it set off the fire alarms. Yeah. I hope you guys liked the video.
You could put an ocean between our love. It will keep us apart. You could build